Good day everyone and welcome to Adam's Rural Farm Life and Growth channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the processes we the locals here use to process our paddy rice to edible grains. Traditionally, these bags were filled with paddy rice still covered in its protective husks. But before it can be cooked and enjoyed, it must go through several traditional processing steps. The first step here is opening the bags and pouring them into much quantity of water to remove the chaff that will be flowing on the top. As you can see, we are separating the well-matured rice grains from the chaffs. That's the rice that was not well matured from the field and was not properly winnowed or threshed. You have lesser chaffs if it was well winnowed and threshed. While doing this, we will place a basin of water or pot of water on the fire. The rice we separated from the chaff will be placed inside a container. Here our water is already hot or well steamed. We're going to fetch this hot water and pour it inside the rice that was separated from the chaff, our rice grains. We'll pour in this water until the whole rice is covered with the hot water. We'll leave the rice inside the hot water for at least 12 to 15 hours. That's to make sure our rice have soaked enough hot water. This increases the quality of our rice. Here, we are going to parboil our rice in this basin you're seeing. We are placing water on the fire, getting ready to bring the rice. While the pot is on fire, we'll remove or sieve out the rice from the water that was soaked in it yesterday. Now, we are getting ready to steam or partially cook the grains inside their husks. This process enhances the rice's nutritional value and gives it a firmer texture. Soaking this rice with hot water for those hours helps the rice to swell very well while cooking it for lunch or dinner, that's after milling it. We only soak with hot water rice that has been harvested for some time, not newly harvested rice. But if you want a very good result, soak your rice with hot water for at least 12 to 15 hours. Here we are properly separating the soaked rice from the cold water to avoid pouring this rice inside the pot on the fire with cold water in it. This we are taking it to the pot on the fire to pour it inside to be parboiled or to be steamed so that we can get a good nutritional valued rice with a firmer texture. You might be wondering how we are going to cover this rice. We are going to use any good rags or wrapper. This will help trap the temperature within the basin or the pot. This works better than the cover of the pot or that of the basin. This helps the heat to saturate within without escaping. You can see how we are covering it. Within a short while, this rice will be well steamed or well parboiled, making sure that our fire is well circulated under the pot. After steaming, the rice is spread out under the sun to dry. Make sure to always spread it constantly once under the sun. Too much sun causes breakage. I always prefer to dry my rice under the shade. It will take long to dry but gives a better result. Proper drying ensures the grains are firm enough for milling while preventing spoilage. Here we are packing our rice from the pot. That's the rice that is well steamed, to take it to the dryer. This is done carefully because of the heat oozing out of the pot. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more traditional farming and processing. This local processing method preserves the rice taste and quality of the rice. Have you ever seen rice processed this way? Let me know in the comments. Now we have taken our rice to where we are going to spray it to dry. After spraying it here, once completely dried, the paddy rice is taken to the milling area where the husk is removed. This can be done manually using a mortar and pestles, as with some of our local farmers here, or with a local milling machine. I have not captured the video of our milling machines here, but I will do that later. While we have few milling machines here which not all our farmers are using, you will take your dried rice there. They'll mill it, sort it and package it for you if you so need. Then we pay them for that. This is the rice we just processed, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insight into traditional farming. Bye.